Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're ready to make fresh, nutrient-packed juice at home, you're gonna love this. Today, we're diving into the Breville Juice Fountain Cold, a high-powered juicer that promises big flavor and big convenience. Stick around to see if it's the juicer for you, and check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's talk about features. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold has an 850-watt motor with 2 speeds, high at 13,000 RPM for hard fruits and veggies like apples or carrots, and low at 6,500 RPM for softer stuff like spinach or berries. Its cold spin technology keeps heat low to preserve vitamins and minerals, and the extra-wide 3-inch feed chute lets you juice whole fruits with minimal chopping. It comes with a 70-ounce seal-and-store jug, so you can make a big batch and keep it fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days. The stainless steel cutting disc and micro mesh filter maximize juice yield, and most parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Now the pros. This juicer is fast and powerful. Users say it cranks out juice in seconds, even with tough produce like beets. The large chute saves tons of prep time, and the big jug is perfect for families or meal preppers. Customers love the nutrient-rich juice it produces, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts and the included brush. It's also sturdy, with a solid build that feels like it'll last years, making it a great value for regular juicers. But there are some cons. Some users say the pulp comes out wetter than expected, meaning you might lose a bit of juice. It's a bit bulky, so it takes up counter space or needs storage if you're tight on room. A few mentioned it's noisy at high speed, which could bug early risers. Lastly, there were rare reports of durability issues after heavy use, so it's best for moderate juicing. Should you buy the Breville Juice Fountain Cold? I say yes if you love fresh juice, want to save time on prep, or juice for multiple people. It's perfect for health buffs or families, though casual juicers might prefer a smaller model. That's my take on the Breville Juice Fountain Cold. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this juicer at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.